Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is true. Not one, but two dubs, y'all. Yeah, man. Both these sold out. And one of them, we expected it. But the other one, y'all really slept on those. But it is a limited shoe. And not too many gonna be able to get their hands on these. So we gonna see what they looking like in hand. And yo, man, I done beat the final boss, y'all. Let's talk about YouTube fam. Y'all, this is my second time doing this, y'all. I literally recorded this video one time and I wasn't recording. Damn. What do you know? What's good, man? I'm still live. I'm still in full effect. Your boy Jay is back for yet another one, man. Today I have made it. I have made it through the trials and tribulations. I beat the final boss. My packages are here, y'all. So yes, sir, man. I do want to hit you guys with a couple unboxings. One of which, hey, expected. I told y'all it was on the way. The second shoe y'all did not know about, and this is actually my first time seeing these, period. So I'm gonna give y'all my honest thoughts and opinions on that shoe, and that is a very, very limited shoe. Not too many people know that the shoe is as limited as it is, but hey, I'm here to tell y'all about it, and I'm here to show y'all, man. Before we get into the contents of this video, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, welcome back. Hey, man, salute to all the OGs, salute to all the new members, man. Look, family members have been rolling in, y'all. Look, I appreciate y'all. I need for all the newcomers, first timers, if you haven't hit the subscribe button already, hit that subscribe button real quick and leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Your boy Jay is getting back to all comments, man. So hey, if you haven't left a comment before in the past, today is the day. Comment down below. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on the shoes. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on what you think about it, and just anything else you got to say, man. Comment it down below. We gonna chop it up. But yes, man, I did make a video yesterday talking about one of the two shoes that I do have, which, I mean, we can go ahead and start getting into. Woo! Appreciate you. Bang! Yes, man, it did come from Snkrs, of course, and I told y'all already. I already done opened up my box, y'all. I already did this. I recorded this whole video, so I ain't even gonna sit here and act like I'm unopening it for the first time. Crazy, but yes, man, this shoe right here, bang! I did get hit on the Snkrs app. I told y'all I had it on the way. It finally landed today, and y'all already know what it is. Sold out sneaker. It is the Jordan 14. Yes, sir. Black toes, y'all. Bang! They have made it safely to the crib, y'all. Ain't nothing like seeing that order shipped, then seeing out for delivery, then hearing that doorbell, y'all. Man, ain't nothing like it, y'all. But they made them here safely. And in my video yesterday, man, if you guys did not check out my video from yesterday, y'all need to do that after you watch this one, because I gave y'all some game on how you can still get shoes like this and other shoes you may have potentially missed out on for retail. You know what I'm saying? Not a dime over that. So these right here, y'all, living on to my video from yesterday, what I said about these restocking every single day since they released. Of course, if you guys don't know, these released November 2nd, which was Saturday, 4 days ago, I want to say. And we had another restock on these today. I want to say Shoe Palace released another restock of these today. And I don't know if it's just trolling at this point, because between Chic and Shoe Palace, every single day, one of the two are restocking the Jordan 14 black toes, y'all. But yes, in that same note, though, Shoe Palace is canceling orders. I know a lot of people, even in my video from yesterday, if you guys look in the comment section, people were telling me that their orders got canceled, etc., etc. I will be pissed, y'all. Look, your boy Jay, I told y'all in my video from yesterday, I did hit on another pair. These came from Snkrs, but I did hit on a pair from Shoe Palace. I hit on an 11.5, and I officially got shipping confirmation on that. But I'm still gonna kind of just, you know, wait till they land in my possession before I get, you know, riled up about it. But I did officially get confirmation that my package has shipped, so at least I ain't get the cancellation you know, email. I got the ship joint, so we'll wait and see when those land in hand. But literally, y'all, these are restocking almost every day. But yes, man, this shoe right here, definitely one of them ones that I couldn't just have one of. Bang! Yes, sir. Give me two pairs I needed 2 of these, y'all, man. Look, top 10 sneaker of the year for me, man. So yes sir, your boy does have one for the toe, and I do have one that's gonna be going inside one of them cases back there behind me, y'all. But double up, had to get a double up on these. No, I'm not selling them, y'all. These are just for the collection, and you know, for years down the line, I've never owned black toes, and after getting this pair and seeing them in hand, I was like, I love how they did the 2024 pair, so I'm a fan of it. I need 2, so I ended up doubling up. As I told you, I was going back and forth with myself at one point in time. I was like, am I gonna double up? I'm not gonna double up. Am I gonna double up? And guess what? I ended up doubling up. So yes, there we go back there. We got the whole mountain of Jordan 14 black toes, y'all. But yes, like I said, man, if I were you, if you want to get a pair of black toes, if you missed out on them, y'all, watch my video from yesterday. You are still probably in luck. You probably won't have to pay resale. Just watch that video. Every single day since they released, they have restocked, y'all. So hey, good luck, man. Just check out that video, get that info, and you should be able to come across a pair. But I do have another pair of shoes, y'all, that I told y'all I already recorded this video, but I did not look at this shoe yet. I made it to the part where I was getting ready to show the shoe. I noticed it wasn't recorded, so this is going to still be a first for me, y'all. So let me show y'all this shoe that is limited and that's sold out. Woo! Appreciate y'all. Bang, man. So here we go right here, y'all. This right here came from Snkrs as well. These sold out, y'all. These released the same exact day as the 14s, but a lot of people overshadowed these because, or overlooked them, should I say, because of the Jordan 14 black toes. But these right here, I thought that they were dope. I said, let me, you know, see if I can get my hands on them. Right after I entered in for the Jordan 14 black toes, I entered in for these, and bang, bang, got them, you know. And I was like, okay, my Snkrs app account is hot. It is hot, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't never been hitting like that, and I don't even know how long. Kobe's, all type of stuff, but bang, you see what's going on, y'all. It does come in the all over red Nike box, man. Before I get into this, man, just think about this, y'all. Me recording this 2 times in a row, y'all. I hope I'm sounding energetic and I'm not sounding like, because like I said, this is literally my 2nd time doing this. I got to this point where I was reading the size tag last time, then I noticed I wasn't recorded, but we gonna make it through this time, y'all. So Nike Dunk Low Retro SE is the shoe. The color blocking is Sail Pale Ivory Baltic Blue. Like I said, y'all, very limited shoe. Popping open the box. Anything special in here? White and green sticker. So this is a dunk with a white and green sticker right there in the cut, as you can see. And it does have a lot number towards the back right there. That is what's in this. Oh my, I already seen the shoe. And they look alright, y'all. But we do have the Nike Dunk Low LA Dodgers, I want to say. Ooh. Bang! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. So these, man, I'm not mad at this purchase. I'm not mad at this purchase. Number one, man, big congratulations to the LA Dodgers, World Series champs. You know what I'm saying? This shoe, of course, is to commemorate their World Series championship. That's why I stated that this is a limited piece, y'all. This is a limited piece right here. Of course, you know, I don't foresee them retroing this shoe. I only see this shoe possibly being a collector's item, you know, of course, to people out in LA, Dodger fans, etc., etc. But these are smooth, y'all. These are definitely smooth, man. And definitely does have some baseball detailing on here, which I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. But yeah, man, we got the Dodger Dunk Lows, and very limited, but you know, I got them. Bang, man. Here they go right here, man. As you can see, of course, the all over sail grayish upper canvas material I see on it. I see suede on it. So they didn't mix up the materials. As you can see on the toe box on these, that is canvas, y'all. So they did give us a canvas material all throughout the toe box. Then we do got suede on the outsides of all around the shoe. Take a look at that swoosh. That swoosh does have the baseball like threading look on it. You know, that is what that symbolizes. Pretty dope touch. And then you do have, of course, LA on the tongue. You know, it does have that like cloud type of look to it, you know. Different, you know. And you got your sail laces in there. No extra laces are included. You got your translucent, you know, cream outsole on these. And yeah, man, this is just a dope little collector's piece, man. These are gonna stay in the corner for a little bit in the back of the collection. I don't know if I'll ever be throwing these on feet, if it'll be trade bait or what, but I'm gonna hold on to them for now because this is a limited piece. Like I said, man, they dropped these because of them winning that World Series. And yeah, man, I ain't mad at these, y'all. These eventually sold out on the Snkrs app the same day as the Black Toe 14s. Comment down below, did anybody know about these? Did you just skip on them, pass on them, or you was just too focused on the 14s? You didn't even know that these dropped, man. Y'all comment down below and let me know. But these right here, not bad at all, man. I do love the light blue hues. How dare them call me while I'm making a video. As I was saying, I do like the light blue hues all throughout the shoe. You got them right there on the back as well. And like I said, man, it does have like a cloud looking font. You do got the Nike written on the back, and then on the inside, which I can never see, but you probably can't see the swoosh. You do have a swoosh, and the swoosh is made out of a cloud, y'all. So it does have like a little cloud theme to it. And these are, they alright, you know what I'm saying? They're cool, you know, they're nothing crazy. I wouldn't go crazy over these. And like I said, these are gonna be most likely trade bait for me. I might trade this with something, get rid of it. I don't see myself wearing these, you know, but I just wanted to get my hands on them to check them out. But yeah, man, the Nike Dunk Low LA Dodger joints, man, once again, congratulations to them on their World Series title. And yeah, man, y'all comment down below and let me know, man. Also, let me know, did y'all catch the restock of the 14s today? Because like I told y'all, man, I don't know if they trolling or they just got infinite pairs over there, but they be restocking them every single day, y'all. And yeah, that is it. Your boy Jay is getting out, man. We got the Dunk Low, of course, Dodgers, and my double up of the Black Toes. I will be back at y'all tomorrow, either with an on feet. No, it's not gonna be an on feet. We'll hit y'all with an on feet on Friday. Tomorrow, I got an early look for y'all, man. So make sure y'all notification bells are on. I either might hit y'all with an early 2025 look. I have an early shoe that releases 2025. I'm not playing with y'all. You know, I'm on y'all heads. Foot on the gas, full throttle. I do have one of them shoes, and I do have a shoe that is releasing in December. So one of the two, you know, I'm gonna get at y'all tomorrow with that. But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out. These clean, not mad at them. But yeah, I don't think they'll be going on feet. But if you want them too as well, I mean, you might can get them from me. JTSG Closet, man, hit me up. But outside of that, I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. That is it, y'all.